To install the Easy Set extension spring system, first attach the sheave to the sheave fork with a bolt and nut, making sure to place the small black bushing into the sheave fork flange as shown. Now, slide the housing into the metal bracket as shown. Attach the metal bracket with housing to the top of the horizontal angle, using 2 bolts and nuts near the flag bracket. Be sure the safety tab is engaged. Assemble the eye bolt onto the rear track hanger as shown, hooking one end of the extension spring over the eye bolt and allowing it to hang down temporarily. Attach the sheave fork assembly to the free end of the spring. Find the safety cable and run the looped end through the extension spring and over the eye bolt. Feed the free end of the safety cable through the black bushing installed on the flange of the sheave fork and into the key slot on the metal bracket. Pull the cable taut and clamp it into place with a 1/4-inch sheet metal screw. Thread the lift cable coming out of the black housing through the top hole in the metal bracket. Then run the cable under and around the spring sheave and over and around the stationary sheave affixed to the back of the metal bracket. Next, run the cable down the side of the door between the door and the track brackets. Finally, attach the looped end of the cable to the button on the safety bottom bracket. Wind the Easy Set unit using a standard 3/8-inch power drill with a 1/4-inch bit provided, or a 7/16-inch socket. Be sure to keep your head below the track when the spring is being tensioned or is under tension. The spring is fully tensioned when the nylon bushing on the sheave fork covers the red mark on the safety cable. Repeat this procedure for the other side of the door. Carefully raise the door and stop about halfway open. This is the first time the door is being opened. Check to be sure the horizontal tracks are parallel with each side of the door. Make sure the gap between the edge of the door and the track does not exceed about a 1/2 inch. If adjustments of the rear track hanger is necessary, lower the door first and remove all tension from both springs following the directions in the installation instructions.